This is a video regarding to the point teaching. The movement file is a CSV file that stores the point data required for the movement of the robot or slider. There are 7 files in total, and each file has a separate range of point numbers. See the CSV file name for the range of point numbers. The point data on the movement file is common to all robots and sliders used in the same YHX controller. There are 65,535 points in total. Please make sure that the point numbers used by the robot and slider do not overlap between 1 and 65,535. The contents of the movement file are as shown. The first input line of each file corresponds to the first point number described in the movement file name. The first input line of 10,001 to 20,000.r2.movement.csv is the point number 10,001. Next, we will explain the structure of point data. Enter the movement method in motion column. Enter ABS since only absolute position movement is supported. Enter the target position in X column. Enter the target position as a real number up to the 3rd decimal place. Enter the acceleration amount as a percentage corresponding to the parameter PTP axle setting value in acceleration column. Enter the movement speed as a percentage corresponding to the parameter velocity limit setting value in velocity column. Enter the deceleration amount as a percentage corresponding to the parameter PTP decel setting value in deceleration column. Enter the jerk as a percentage corresponding to the parameter PTP jerk setting value in curvature column. Enter the value for determining the position completion in extension column. If the input value is 0, the value of the parameter total distance will be applied. In this video, we will perform a teaching operation for the horizontal circulation unit. For the mechanical adjustment method, please refer to the video Transfer Adjustment for Horizontal Circulation Unit. During the teaching operation, the movement files cannot be opened. Also, for the robot teaching, the origin return operation has to be completed beforehand. Move the circulation unit to the teaching position by jog or inching. Tap Teach button and unlock the function. Enter the target point number and tap Teach. During registration, blue light flashes on the indicator and the blue light remains on when complete. After the completion, tap Teach again to turn off the blue light. Users can check the position data registered in the point data from point data position. When the point is newly registered, in addition to the current position, the movement velocity, acceleration, and etc. are also registered. If data exists at the specified point number, only the position data will be overridden with the current position. If the target teaching position is a transfer position for the circulation unit or traverse unit, please perform the transfer correction setting at the same position. Tap Set and Clear button and unlock the function. Tap Set. During setting, blue light flashes on the indicator, and the blue light remains on when complete. Tap Set again to turn off the blue light after the completion. With this operation, the positional relationship between encoder A and encoder B will be registered. To confirm the completion of the correction setting, please tap Get while the junction axis is at the slider transfer position. The correction setting value of the target junction axis will be read out. The transfer correction setting cannot be executed unless the existing setting is deleted first. If the correction setting is executed for the position that the correction setting already has been set, a command alarm will be generated. In this part, we'll describe the procedure to delete the transfer position correction setting. Move the movable module of the circulation unit to the transfer position to be readjusted. Tap Read and check that the value of encoder B can be read. Turn off the servo of the junction axis of the circulation unit. Tap Clear. During the deletion, blue light flashes on the indicator, and the blue light remains on when complete. Tap Clear again to turn off the blue light after the completion. That is all for the correction setting deleting procedure. That is all the explanation for point teaching.